Let's talk about Stalker error code Dexter fix. Crash on startup in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But take a deep breath. You're not alone, and there is hope. We're about to embark on a journey through comprehensive troubleshooting steps, ensuring you can conquer this notorious error code and finally experience the anomalies of Stalker. Before diving deep, let's cover the basics. Always start by verifying your game files. Through Steam or your respective launcher, corrupted files are a common culprit. Ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated software can often trigger these sorts of crashes. A quick system restart also works wonders by clearing temporary glitches and processes. Now let's talk about data execution, prevention, or dip. Sometimes Windows sees the game as a threat and blocks it, so we'll guide you through making an exception for Stalker, but also running the game as an administrator can bypass various permission-related hiccups that cause that fatal crash. These simple, yet crucial steps often resolve underlying system conflicts. Error at scale frequently points to issues with core system components. We need to ensure your DirectX is up to date and properly installed. Often a clean reinstallation can work wonders. Here, similarly, the Microsoft Visual Credistrables are crucial for game execution. Repairing or reinstalling these essential packages might just be the magic bullet you need. Don't underestimate the power of these fundamental dependencies. If the error persists, well, delve into slightly more advanced methods. Consider temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall to see if it's interfering with the game's launch. As security software can sometimes be overprotective. In some cases, the clean boot of Windows can help identify if other background applications are causing a conflict with Stalker. Lastly, if all else fails, the fresh installation of the game after deleting any residual files might be your file frontier to conquer the zone.